is Dawson from CheapEZGarage, and today I got a very special opening for you guys that's gonna turn into a little video later this week. So today I got a box from Amazon. I was expecting it a lot later than I got it within probably 2 days, but this is such a surprise. You guys will have to just see what's in the box. So because I'm really surprised it came this early, and like I was telling Casey that it would come by Friday, and we were planning on doing the I wasn't even planning on doing an unboxing video, but since it came so early, I guess it's possible that I could do this. Here's the packaging, guys. It's the Boss Audio Systems stereo. It's touchscreen, it has Bluetooth, and as you guys know, my stereo right now is a little, like, let's say old, but it's outdated. So I got this just to like make up for it. Let's see what's inside here, okay? Oh, it has some foam, as you can see. Here's the box that's actually going in. That's what inside looks like. And this looks just about right for my truck. I don't know if they make like bigger ones for certain types of vehicles, but I didn't really look too far into that, considering like it wasn't very much. We got some directions, user's manual, so that's nice. We got some wiring that I don't know if we have to use this because it might already have wires, but I don't really know. Yeah, I probably have to strip these wires and connect them here to certain wires, and this will plug into the system already on the truck, so that should work out fine. Not too big of a deal. I should be able to do it, and I'll have Casey's help, of course. I think that's about it. Wait, hold on. There's one more little tiny box in here. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is the remote. Probably not gonna undo that until the day I actually use it. It comes with a like sort of pen thing for pressing the screen, but I probably won't use that either. And then here's just screws and like mounts and stuff just in case I need them. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. We should have the next, we should put it in all this week, and then we'll have a special video up later this week as well for involving my truck and Casey's van. So that should be pretty exciting for me and him to edit that video out and give it to you guys to share and like and subscribe for more content. So if you guys like this, then obviously you know what to do, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.